capital, the loss limit is 5%, equals to $5,000. This means as long as you don't lose more than $5,000, you can keep trading and growing your trading capital and withdraw profit anytime. That's how WeMasterTrade instant funding program works.
WeMasterTrade.
Good morning, everyone. I am Andrew Hunt and I am CEO of WeMasterTrade. Today, we're here at one of Asia's most exciting race 7, surrounded by speed, focus, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. In both racing and trading, precision matters, discipline matters, and every decision counts. This is not just a race, it's a showcase of focus, discipline, and speed, the same spirit that drives every trade forward.
In trading and in racing, precision is everything. Only one goal: reaching the chart. This is where speed meets strategy. Every move counts. Every second defines the result. In this race, precision is profit. Accelerate your strategy. Control your momentum. Rise above the limit. Every move is a decision. Precision creates profit. Only those who control the speed control the result. Push to the limit. Aim for the chart. Master every move. WeMasterTrade, powering precision, fueling performance. From the track to the chart, we master every move. Speed, focus, discipline. That's how champions trade.
WeMasterTrade เขามีทุนให้แบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90% มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมงใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้
สาธุสิ่งศักดิ์สิทธิ์ที่อยู่ที่นี้งวดนี้ลูกขอรางวัลใหญ่รางวัลที่1สักทีเถอะถ้าลูกได้มาตรงๆลูกจะ
งมงายไม่เข้าเรื่อง
เจ้าค่ะ
แม่มันสู้คนรุ่นใหม่อย่างเราก็ไม่ได้ ฮัลโหลลูกว่าไงอ๋อไม่ต้องห่วงเรื่องเงินค่าเทอมหนูอ่ะพ่อเตรียมมาให้เรียบร้อยแล้วสบายมากหายห่วงอดจะหลับโอ้มาทำอะไรเสียงดังกันวะหรือว่าใครเป็นไรวะนะโมตัสสะนะโมตัสสะนะโมตัสสะตายไปแล้วทำไมไม่ไปผูกไม่เกินเลยจ้ะดิดอยจะสิเรียนเทรดดิ้งตั้งแต่ยังมีชีวิตจนตายที่ไม่หลุดดอยเลยเงินก็หมดนะที่ไม่ไปผูกไม่เกิดเนี่ยคือติดต่ออย่างนั้นเหรอนี่แม่คนจะบอกอะไรให้นะเดี๋ยวนี้นะเทรดโดยที่ไม่ต้องใช้ทุนตัวเองเรียนรู้ง่ายรู้จัก WeMasterTrade ไหมเนี่ยเขามีทุนให้ไม่ต้องกลัวขาดทุนแถมถอนเงินง่ายพี่นี่นะถอนไปแล้วถึง3 รอบและยังแบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90%
แต่ฉันไม่รู้ภาษาอังกฤษนะสิจ๊ะ
WeMasterTrade มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมง
ท็อปเฟิร์มดีขนาดนี้อยากลองต้องจัง
WeMasterTrade นะเทรดง่ายใช้ทุนน้อยใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้ตีจนแบบอยากจะบอกต่อเลยเอาอย่างงี้เดี๋ยวพรุ่งนี้นะจะมาถวายมือถือนะเครื่องใหม่ให้ พบกับวีมาสเตอร์เทรดเลยเฮ้ย
ไม่ใช้มันแล้ว
สาธุตามที่ตกลงกันไว้เมื่อคืนนี้มาถวายให้แล้วนะจ๊ะแล้วก็จำที่สอนไว้ด้วยนะ จะได้ไม่ต้องติดดอย
นี่แหละมีตัวช่วยดีๆแล้วพักร้อนคราวนี้จะไปฝึกเทรดให้โปรเลยฝึกเทรดก็ง่ายไม่กลัวขาดทุนอยู่ในศาลก็เทรดได้ออกมาพักร้อนก็เทรดได้สบายใจเพราะมี WeMasterTrade ร่วมเดินทางไปกับเราพร้อมบริการช่วยเหลือ 24 ชั่วโมงนี่แหละที่เขาบอกต่อไม่ว่าจะอยู่ที่ไหนจะไปที่ไหนก็เทรดได้ WeMasterTrade เพื่อนคู่ใจของเทรดเดอร์ไทยอยู่เคียงข้างคุณเสมอ
WeMasterTrade.
ในโลกของการเงินไม่ต่างอะไรกับเกมส์ในสนามทุกวินาทีล้วนมีค่าชัยชนะไม่ได้มาจากโชคแต่มาจากกลยุทธ์วินัยและความสามารถในการคว้าโอกาส WeMasterTrade แพลตฟอร์มที่ช่วยให้คุณเชื่อมต่อวิเคราะห์และลงมือเหมือนทีมมืออาชีพการฝึกที่ดีนำคุณไปสู่ความสำเร็จปลดปล่อยศักยภาพของคุณเร่งสปีดสู่ความสำเร็จในการเทรด WeMasterTrade ครองเกมของคุณพิชิตตลาดการเงิน
WeMasterTrade.
At WeMasterTrade, we defined ourselves as an angel funding project. Our approach involves hiring traders. Under our trading rules, we're proud to cover your risk, placing our trust in traders to generate profits for both parties. We have a specialized risk management team that will analyze high winning potential orders and copy those trades in a way that boosts winning. For instance, if a client initiates a trade with 100 Apple shares, our risk management team will copy it at a ratio of 1:4, translating to a purchase of 400 shares. Note that we only copy trades that our experts believe will be a big success. This way, we can profit more on this project for our company and a higher profit share for traders. First, WeMasterTrade will provide you access to the trading capital. You'll be trading on the most reliable platform, MT5. Generated profit will be shared up to 90%. WeMasterTrade covering all of your losses. We implemented a loss limit strategy to help you and our company control the risk of our trades. You can make as many trades as you want in a day or week as long as you don't hit the loss limit. For example, in our sugar package of $100,000 capital, the loss limit is 5%, equals to $5,000. This means as long as you don't lose more than $5,000, you can keep trading and growing your trading capital and withdraw profit anytime. That's how WeMasterTrade instant funding program works.
WeMasterTrade.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Andrew Hunt, and I am CEO of WeMasterTrade. Today, we're here at one of Asia's most exciting race 7, surrounded by speed, focus, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. In both racing and trading, precision matters, discipline matters, and every decision counts. This is not just a race, it's a showcase of focus, discipline, and speed, the same spirit that drives every trade forward.
Trading And in racing, precision is everything. Only one goal, reaching the chart. This is where speed meets strategy. Every move counts. Every second defines the result. In this race, precision is profit. Accelerate your strategy. Control your momentum. Rise above the limit. Every move is a decision. Precision creates profit. Only those who control the speed control the result. Push to the limit. Aim for the chart. Master every move. WeMasterTrade, powering precision, fueling performance. From the track to the chart, we master every move. Speed, focus, discipline. That's how champions trade.
WeMasterTrade เขามีทุนให้แบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90% มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมงใครๆก็เริ่มเทรด
Our trades. You can make as many trades as you want in a day or week as long as you don't hit the loss limit. For example, in our sugar package of $100,000 capital, the loss limit is 5%, equals to $5,000. This means as long as you don't lose more than $5,000, you can keep trading and growing your trading capital and withdraw profit anytime. That's how WeMasterTrade instant funding program works.
WeMasterTrade.
Good day, everyone, no matter where you're tuning in from. Whether you're just starting your morning, already in the middle of your trading grind, or relaxing at the end of your day, welcome to our global live stream. I'm Annie, your host for the next 2 hours, and on the behalf of the entire WeMasterTrade team, I'm thrilled to have you here. Today's section isn't just about presentation, it's a real conversation, a chance for you to step up into the engine room of one of the most fast-growing, forward-thinking funded trading firm in the industry. And of course, I'm not here alone. Joining me are two outstanding traders who have shaped the culture, vision, and standard of WeMasterTrade. They are not just only skilled professionals, they are also mentor and leader within our community. First up, the ever composed, always insightful, Dolia. Welcome, Dolia.
Thank you so much, Annie. Hello, everyone, and thank you for choosing to spend your time with us today. I'm personally excited for this section because there are so much we are going to uncover, not just strategies or rules, but the entire ecosystem that WeMasterTrade has built. This is a platform that doesn't just fund trading, it builds traders step by step from starting out to scaling to earning.
And next to her is someone known for sharp analysis, clear logic, and absolutely no-nonsense chart reading. Strategic, precise, and one of the strongest voices in our trading community. Please welcome Helen.
Thank you, Annie. Hello to everyone in the chat. I'm really thrilled to be here. What excited me more is that today we're unpacking everything, not just what WeMasterTrade offer, but how you can truly take advantage of its part of our system, packages, promotions, scaling, payout structures, all of it. And if you ever had a question or doubt, today is your turn to ask.
Exactly. Whether you are completely new or already funded trader with us, today's live stream will give you the full picture, not just the highlight reel. We're going to walk you through what WeMasterTrade truly is, what we believe in, how our program are designed, and why we operate differently from traditional broker or prop firm. And just to clarify, this isn't about selling you anything. This is about helping you to understand what you are signing up for, how our structure works, and how you can use that structure not only to succeed but also to scale.
So let's start with something important, the story behind WeMasterTrade. WeMasterTrade was built as a funding project, not as a broker. That different matter. A broker profits from value or client losses, but WeMasterTrade profits only when traders succeed. We provide capital, take on the risk, and share profit when you perform. That philosophy is the backbone of everything in our system.
Exactly, and that philosophy says our trading package as well. Today we will talk through each package, who is designed for, how to choose the right one, and what to expect. If you ever look at our package and thought which one fits my style, you will finally get the answer.
And beyond just explaining, we are doing a live side-by-side comparison, pricing, account sizes, max drawdown, consistency rules, and payout timelines. Reading numbers on the website is one thing, while understanding the intention behind those numbers is another.
And when you understand packages, the next big question is always, how do I compliance while trading? So we dive deep into the rules, especially the day loss limit, how it's calculated, why flowing profit and loss matter, and how to avoid violation, especially overnight. And we also break down maximum total loss, the consistency ratio, and clarify common misunderstanding around trade sizing and risk per trade idea.
And I won't just explain rules. I will share real experience from my early funded trading days, mistake I made, adjustment I learned, and how the rules are actually there to protect your growth, not limit it.
And of course, we're going through current promotion, discount codes, support campaigns, capital, and show you exactly how to qualify and submit proof properly.
And finally, you walk around a scale-up plan, one of the most underrated features of WeMasterTrade. Many traders don't realize there are structured pathways to grow into higher capital tier. With consistent performance, you don't just get payouts, you actually climb to become a six-figure funding trader.
And speaking of growth, let's talk about one of the strongest engines behind long-term income at WeMasterTrade, the profit sharing model. This is the bit of what makes us different from every typical prop firm out there. When you trade on a funded account, follow the rules and generate profit, we share that profit with you, and you're not just a small cut up to 90%. But here's the thing, the percentage is just the headline. What really matters in the payout circle, the treehouse, how to the timeline works, and we are breaking all of that down today, so you know exactly how to maximize every payout opportunity.
Now, I know a lot of you tuning in today aren't just traders, some of you are mentor, educator, community leaders, or you simply have strong network. So we're also diving into our affiliate program, and we're doing it transparently. We'll walk you through how commissions are calculated, how referrals are tracked, and most importantly, what you need to qualify for payouts. That includes an explanation of the two referee rules and the minimum funding requirements. No confusion, no surprises.
And that's super important. We have seen huge growth in affiliate activity lately, which is awesome, but we want every partner feel clear, confident, and responsible with the way they promote. When you understand the system, you're not just earning commission, you're building a long-term sustainable income stream.
So, as you can already tell, this is not just a usual live surface level live stream. Today we're going to get deep into everything. Trading packages, trading rules, promos, scale pathway, profit sharing, affiliates, opportunities. All with one goal, is to helping you make the smartest, most informed decision of your trading journey.
And we want this to be interactive, not just lecture. So if you have a question, throw them into the chat anytime. Our moderators are here. We are watching, and we will answer as many as we possibly can. Your voice matters. This whole live stream is for you.
And if you're watching the replay later, don't worry, we'll leave a timestamp somewhere, and you can always reach out to our support team for clarification. They are one of the most dedicated team I work with. They really want the trader to succeed.
So before we jump in, let me just say this, WeMasterTrade is not just a platform, it's a commitment to be a real trader, a commitment to fairness, a commitment to giving people around the world structured, scalable path to turn trading into profession, not gamble. So if you're here to grow, to understand, and to take action, you are in the exactly right place. Let's take this journey together. So thank you once again for being here with us today. Before we jumped right into the packages, trading rules, promos, and everything exciting that is coming, we want to take a step back and zoom out for a moment. Because before you put your time, energy, and your trading journey into a platform, understanding who we are and what we believe in isn't just helpful, it's essential. And so the next segment is about origin, intention, and impact. It's about WeMasterTrade, where it came from, and what value hold this entire platform together, and also how the values transform into real tools, real opportunities, real outcome for traders like you. And to walk us through that story, we have got the people who literally live and breathe this mission every single day, Dolia and Helen. So Dolia, let's kick off from the beginning.
Thanks, Annie. To really understand WeMasterTrade, you have to understand why it was created in the first place. Unlike most broker or prop firm that reel out of traditional, WeMasterTrade was born with a very specific mission to give couple traders access to real capital, regardless of where they come from, what their background is, or how much money they have in their savings. Talent should be limited by competence, and that's exactly what WeMasterTrade was built to solve. We were founded in 2022 as part of the WeMasterTrade Group, headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. WeMasterTrade made its name through investor network, copy trading technology, and signals. But WeMasterTrade is was created with a sharper, more focused vision to find high potential traders, support them, fund them, and scale them so they can earn professionally without risking their own capital.
And that's one key point many people overlook, and it's a matter. WeMasterTrade not a broker. It isn't a slogan, it's a fundamental difference in how we operate. We don't earn from spreads, we don't earn from commission, and we don't earn when trader lose. Our model only works when traders are profitable. That's why everything we have built, instant funding, profit sharing, scale up, is designed with that alignment in mind. We take on the capital risk, we provide structure and the pathway. Your role is to trade with scale and discipline. When you grow, we grow. But we also know something important. Skill alone isn't enough. One of our core principles from day one has been education first. We don't want the trader just memorizing rules, or we want them to understand the logic behind the structure and the why behind the risk model. And that's why we have invested heavily into the WeMasterTrade Academy, a complete learning ecosystem designed to take a trader from beginner all the way to consistently funded professionals.
And the Academy is seriously something special. We have training that covers everything from trading psychology to risk calibration to advanced multi-asset strategy. But the best part is, it's not just theory. It's built to mirror the real trading environment inside WeMasterTrade. So whatever you learn in the Academy, you can apply directly to your funded account the very same day. And to make sure that everything we build meets global educational standard, WeMasterTrade is proud to be ISO 21001-2018 certified, a recognition given to institutions that deliver high quality, structured, and internationally compliant learning system. It's a big achievement, and it represents our commitment to long-term trader development.
Now, that certification isn't just a badge, it's a statement. It's so we are invested in developing traders, not in collecting fees and disappearing like so many firms in this space, while others prop firms rise fast and vanish even faster. WeMasterTrade has built real structure, stability, completeness, transparent processes, and a team that stands behind every decision. We are not here for a quick way. We're here to help build careers that fast.
And that commitment shows in the story you hear every day. If you visit our testimonial page, you will see traders from Nigeria, Vietnam, Canada, the Philippines, and South Africa, all showing how WeMasterTrade didn't just help them earn more, but helped them trade with confidence and purpose. Some more past challenges after a year of being stuck with the retail brokers. Some finally escaped the fear of risking their own savings. Some found royalties, structure, and support they have never experienced before. We have watched students turn into the full-time traders. We have seen women step back into finance after a long career break, and young professionals from underbanked regions, people who were locked out of the markets, now trade with the real capital and real opportunity. That impact we care about, and that's what keeps us moving.
But the ecosystem goes beyond funding. For traders who want to keep learning, evolving, and staying in tune with the market, we maintain constantly update blog section, weekly insight, psychology breakdowns, market reaction, and platform updates. We have believe trading is a lifelong craft, and we make sure our community never stops shaping its edge. And let's talk about culture for a moment. What sets WeMasterTrade apart isn't just feature, it's the mindset that we cultivate. Integrity, respect, share knowledge. Whether you are chatting in our Telegram groups, watching our YouTube series, or talking to our live support team, you will notice one thing: they actually listen. We treat trader like partner, not ticket numbers.
And I want to be very honest here. In most platforms, the trader is just another customer, but at WeMasterTrade, the trader is the center of the entire model. Your performance fuels a business. Your feedback shapes the platform. Your consistency determines how far we scale together. That kind of mutual accountability is rare, and it's something we are generally value.
So if you have a question whether this is real, whether a trading career is something you can actually build, read the testimonials, look at the funded accounts, talk to people who've been through the system. The story are real, the capital is real, and the result, they speak loudly.
So to summarize, WeMasterTrade is more than just a platform. We are a capital allocator, a talent accelerator, and an educational first trading institution. We're here to challenge the status quo in trading access, to reward performance over promotion, and to create real scalable income opportunity for traders worldwide. No matter where you start, this is bigger than a prop firm, and it's a trading movement. If you are already be part of it, today's live stream will give you the full roadmap to get started. Thank you, Helen and Dolia, once again for that deep and honest walkthrough. Coming up next, we'll take this foundation and connect it directly to what we offer. Our actual account packages, that means a full breakdown of the different account options at WeMasterTrade, how they differ, who they're designed for, and what kind of result you can realistically expect from each of them. And when we say packages, we're not just talking about dollars amount, we're talking about framework and growth. Each package at WeMasterTrade represents different pathway, a roadmap toward building skill, scaling your capital, and unlocking potential. Today, we will walk you through every package, explain what is offered, how it's structured, and most importantly, who it's designed for.
Exactly, Annie. At WeMasterTrade, we don't believe in a one-size-fits-all model. That's why we created two distinct product lines for traders, the challenge package and the instant funding package. Each line comes with a variety of account size and configuration because traders come with different strengths, risk appetites, and timelines. We make sure there's a part for everyone, whether you are starting small or ready to scale fast.
Now let's talk about the instant funding package design. It's designed for traders who are already to skip the challenge phase and start trading a real capital immediately. Unlike the challenge model, this is the those who already have a state strategy or want to hit the ground running. It's fast, efficient, and still structured around the same breakthrough that keep your account safe.
In the instant funding package, you select an account size $10,000 $25,000, $50,000, or $100, and you start trading real funds from day one. The rules are start forward for 5% daily loss limit, 10% maximum loss, and 1 to 100 leverage. There are no simulated paces. You are already in the funded state and your profits are up to 90%.
So, to summarize, the challenge package is perfect if you want a step-by-step progressions, prove your skill, get familiar with WeMasterTrade risk framework, and gradually unlock higher profit shares. The instant funding packages is for traders who want to start with real capital immediately, with all the protections and profit sharing benefits intact.
Exactly. Challenge is this way. The challenge package builds confidence, demonstrates skill, grow progressively. The instant funding trade like capital immediately if you're confident in your strategy. Both paths lead to the same destination. Scale your trading career with WeMasterTrade.
And don't forget, both packages are fully compliant with WeMasterTrade risk management rules. That our warranty, you have a clear, transparent path whether you are learning, testing, or trading full time. The difference is only the starting point, your skill level, and comfort with risk.
So whatever stage you are at, beginner, intermediate, or advanced, there's a WeMasterTrade package for you. And coming up next, we're going to do a side-by-side comparison of challenge versus instant funding, so you can clearly see an account sizes, risk rule, timelines, and profit share opportunities.
So, who are the mid and high tier challenge best for? The 25,000 to 100,000 challenge packages are perfect for traders who already have a capital management experience, especially those aiming to scale into larger funding accounts. If you're part of the broad challenge or have a strong verified trading history, this is a natural next step to level up your career.
Every challenge package comes with a one-time fee. For example, just a $50 for a $10,000 challenge. Here's the good part, that fee is refundable once you become funded and meet minimum performance condition. And if things don't go your way, you are eligible for a 30% reset discount, so you can start fresh and keep learning. But what if you don't want to go through all the challenges at all and want real capital from day one, earning poorly based on the result? That is where the instant funding packages comes in.
And this is why WeMasterTrade really stands out. The instant funding model is designed for experienced disciplined traders who want to trade real capital immediately. No evaluation, no demo stage, just like trading fully backed by a structured, fair, and transparent system.
And accessibility is key. You can choose from several account types based on your trading style, preference, and goals. Today, we will go through the three main instant funding package: 5, 10, 10, 5, 10 euro, and customized. We will compare the detail, but most importantly, we will help you figure out which package is right for you.
Let me set the scene. It's all instant funding packages give you live trading access from day one. That means no challenge phrases, no evaluation. You pay once, follow the rules, and start trading real capital immediately. And every account, no matter the sizes, included no time limit, up to 90% profit share, scale up plan toward $1 million, support for EA, swing trade, scalping, and even HFT strategy. Now, let's get package by package. Yes, let's get to the 5-10-10 package, maximum capital up to $200,000. Now you get 5% daily loss and 10% overall limit. So why is that important?
That extra bridging rule helps for traders who scale into positions or like taking multiple interests per setup. Imagine you're in a volatile market with fast swing. The 5-10 rule lets you negative larger move without hitting daily limit prematurely. It's a game changer for professional style trading.
The profit target here is 10%, perfectly aligned with the higher risk window. And as always, you get full flexibility, scalping, EA, new trading, swing trades, HFT, whatever suits your style. This package is all about tolerance and adaptability. It rewards traders who understand position, sizing, risk management, and market timing.
And who is for? This market is profile for day trader, especially those focusing on fast-moving assets like Nasdaq, gold, volatile forex pairs. If you already have a trade intraday strategy and want a little extra breathing room for it, the packet for you, and give you flexibility with abstract pricing structure.
And it's also great for traders who trade with clear targets. That 10% profit goals act as a motivating milestone, keeping you focused and payout oriented. Some traders perform best when they know exactly what success looks like, and this package gives them that clarity without feeling restricted.
So, to sum up, the 5-10-10 for high tolerance intradayers and ambitious traders. Now, let's get to the 5-10-0 package. This is the personal favorite for traders who love trading on their term. You get 5% daily limit, 10% overall loss, but 0 profit target. That's right, no number chasing you around. Trade smart, trade patiently, and the result will come naturally.
For traders who trade on precision over pace, this is profit freedom. You focus on protecting capital, building consistent gains, and grow in your account without any arbitrary pressure. No targets, just trading clean, controlled, and strategic.
This market is profile for low-frequency trader as a market sniper. If you take 3 to 5 trades a week, with carefully planning, this environment actually rewards patience rather than punishing it. If for our aggressive traders, risk taker, and anyone created by strict consistency rule elsewhere, try how you want as long as you respect the drawdown limits.
And last but not least, the customized package. Think of this as WeMasterTrade saying, you define the rules, we fund your strategy.
You can set your own daily loss, overloss, and even fund up to $400,000, the largest funding option we offer. It's designed for serious traders who want total control without compromising on flexibility.
Daily premium or set trading, you can use EA's new strategies. Weekend holding and NFT everything. If you have a very specific approach in mind, this is the packet that let you bring it to life. And who is for? Top-tier professional as hedge fund trader, hyperlink trader, signal provider, anyone who wants a fully tolerant trading setup, this packet put the blueprint in your hand.
I always say, if you try all the models and nothing fits, your customized package let you build your own draw map. That level of freedom is rare in the trading world and extremely powerful for serious traders.
To wrap it up, every instant funding packages we offer is built around clarity, fairness, and real opportunity, clear risk parameter, competitive commissions, full market access, and genuine profit potential. No artificial time limit, and payouts that can start as early as the very next day.
And here's the best part. No matter your trading style, scalping, swing, or manual, there are an account that matches you. The key is choosing the one that fits your style and discipline. Start building consistency now, and the growth compounds naturally.
And if you're ever on defense, our team is available 24/7 to guide you. But here's the real secret. Pick the account that suits your discipline, not your dreams. The right fits always outperform the flashy promise.
Yes, that's going to be the end of this part, and yes, we will come back with you guys after a short break.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Andrew Hunt, and I am CEO of WeMasterTrade. Today, we're here at one of Asia's most exciting race 7, surrounded by speed, focus, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. In both racing and trading, precision matters, discipline matters, and every decision counts. This is not just a race, it's a showcase of focus, discipline, and speed, the same spirit that drives every trade forward.
Trading and in racing, precision is everything. Only one goal, reaching the chart. This is where speed meets strategy. Every move counts. Every second defines the result. In this race, precision is profit. Accelerate your strategy. Control your momentum. Rise above the limit. Every move is a decision. Precision creates profit. Only those who control the speed control the result. Push to the limit. Aim for the chart. Master every move. WeMasterTrade, powering precision, fueling performance. From the track to the chart, we master every move. Speed, focus, discipline. That's how champions trade.
WeMasterTrade เขามีทุนให้แบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90% มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมงใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้
สาธุสิ่งศักดิ์สิทธิ์ที่อยู่ที่นี้งวดนี้ลูกขอรางวัลใหญ่รางวัลที่1สักทีเถอะถ้าลูกได้มาตรงๆลูกจะถวาย
งมงายไม่เข้าเรื่อง
เจ้าค่ะ
แม่มันสู้คนรุ่นใหม่อย่างเราก็ไม่ได้ ฮัลโหลลูกว่าไงอ๋อไม่ต้องห่วงเรื่องเงินค่าเทอมหนูอ่ะพ่อเตรียมมาให้เรียบร้อยแล้วสบายมากหายห่วงอดจะหลับโอ้มาทำอะไรเสียงดังกันวะหรือว่าใครเป็นไรวะว้ายตะโมตัสสะตะโมตัสสะตะโมตัสสะตายไปแล้วทำไมไม่ไปผุดไม่เกิดเลยจ๊ะดอยจะสิเรียนเทรดดิ้งตั้งแต่ยังมีชีวิตจนตายที่ไม่หลุดดอยเลยเงินก็หมดนะที่ไม่ผุดไม่เกิดเนี่ยคือติดต่ออย่างนั้นเหรอนี่แม่คนจะบอกอะไรให้นะเดี๋ยวนี้นะเทรดโดยที่ไม่ต้องใช้ทุนตัวเองเรียนรู้ง่ายรู้จัก WeMasterTrade ไหมเนี่ยเขามีทุนให้ไม่ต้องกลัวขาดทุนแถมถอนเงินง่ายพี่นี่นะถอนไปแล้วถึง3 รอบและยังแบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90%แต่ฉันไม่รู้ภาษาอังกฤษนะสิจ๊ะ WeMasterTrade มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมงท็อปเฟิร์มดีขนาดนี้อยากลองต้องจัง WeMasterTrade นะเทรดง่ายใช้ทุนน้อยใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้ตีจนแบบอยากจะบอกต่อเลยเดี๋ยวอย่างงี้เดี๋ยวพรุ่งนี้นะจะมาถวายมือถือนะเครื่องใหม่ให้พบกับ WeMasterTrade เลยไม่ชงไม่ใช้มันแล้วโอเคสาธุตามที่ตกลงกันไว้เมื่อคืนนี้มาถวายให้แล้วนะจ๊ะแล้วก็จำที่สอนไว้ด้วยนะจะได้ไม่ต้องติดดอยนี่แหละมีตัวช่วยดีๆแล้วพักร้อนคราวนี้จะไปฝึกเทรดให้โปรเลยฝึกเทรดก็ง่ายไม่กลัวขาดทุนอยู่ในศาลก็เทรดได้ออกมาพักร้อนก็เทรดได้สบายใจเพราะมี WeMasterTrade ร่วมเดินทางไปกับเราพร้อมบริการช่วยเหลือ 24 ชั่วโมงนี่แหละที่เขาบอกต่อไม่ว่าจะอยู่ที่ไหนจะไปที่ไหนก็เทรดได้ WeMasterTrade เพื่อนคู่ใจของเทรดเดอร์ไทยอยู่เคียงข้างคุณเสมอ
WeMasterTrade
ในโลกของการเงินไม่ต่างอะไรกับเกมส์ในสนามทุกวินาทีล้วนมีค่าชัยชนะไม่ได้มาจากโชคแต่มาจากกลยุทธ์วินัยและความสามารถในการคว้าโอกาส WeMasterTrade แพลตฟอร์มที่ช่วยให้คุณเชื่อมต่อวิเคราะห์และลงมือเหมือนทีมมืออาชีพการฝึกที่ดีนำคุณไปสู่ความสำเร็จปลดปล่อยศักยภาพของคุณเร่งสปีดสู่ความสำเร็จในการเทรด WeMasterTrade ครองเกมของคุณพิชิตตลาดการเงิน
WeMasterTrade
At WeMasterTrade, we defined ourselves as an angel funding project. Our approach involves hiring traders. Under our trading rules, we're proud to cover your risk, placing our trust in traders to generate profits for both parties. We have a specialized risk management team that will analyze high winning potential orders and copy those trades in a way that boosts winning. For instance, if a client initiates a trade with 100 Apple shares, our risk management team will copy it at a ratio of 1:4, translating to a purchase of 400 shares. Note that we only copy trades that our experts believe will be a big success. This way, we can profit more on this project for our company and a higher profit share for traders. First, WeMasterTrade will provide you access to the trading capital. You'll be trading on the most reliable platform, MT5. Generated profit will be shared up to 90%. WeMasterTrade covering all of your losses. We implemented a loss limit strategy to help you and our company control the risk of our trades. You can make as many trades as you want in a day or week as long as you don't hit the loss limit. For example, in our sugar package of $100,000 capital, the loss limit is 5%, equals to $5,000. This means as long as you don't lose more than $5,000, you can keep trading and growing your trading capital and withdraw profit anytime. That's how WeMasterTrade instant funding program works.
WeMasterTrade.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Andrew Hunt, and I am CEO of WeMasterTrade. Today, we're here at one of Asia's most exciting race 7, surrounded by speed, focus, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. In both racing and trading, precision matters, discipline matters, and every decision counts. This is not just a race, it's a showcase of focus, discipline, and speed, the same spirit that drives every trade forward.
In trading and in racing, precision is everything. Only one goal, reaching the chart. This is where speed meets strategy. Every move counts. Every second defines the result. In this race, precision is profit. Accelerate your strategy. Control your momentum. Rise above the limit. Every move is a decision. Precision creates profit. Only those who control the speed control the result. Push to the limit. Aim for the chart. Master every move. WeMasterTrade, powering precision, fueling performance. From the track to the chart, we master every move. Speed, focus, discipline. That's how champions trade.
WeMasterTrade เขามีทุนให้แบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90% มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมง ใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้
สาธุสิ่งศักดิ์สิทธิ์ที่อยู่ที่นี้งวดนี้ลูกขอรางวัลใหญ่รางวัลที่1สักทีเถอะถ้าลูกได้มาตรงๆลูกจะ
งมงายไม่เข้าเรื่อง
เจ้าค่ะ
แม่มันสู้คนรุ่นใหม่อย่างเราก็ไม่ได้ ฮัลโหลลูกว่าไงอ๋อไม่ต้องห่วง เรื่องเงินค่าเทอมหนูอ่ะพ่อเตรียมมาให้เรียบร้อยแล้วสบายมากหายปวดปวดจะหลับโอ้มาทำอะไรเสียงดังกันวะหรือว่าใครเป็นไรวะนะโมตัสสะนะโมตัสสะนะโมตัสสะตายไปแล้วทำไมไม่ไปหุบไม่เกินเลยจ้ะดอยจะสิเรียนเทรดดิ้งตั้งแต่ยังมีชีวิตจนตายที่ไม่หลุดดอยเลยเงินก็หมดนะที่ไม่ผุดไม่เกิดเนี่ยที่ติดต่ออย่างนั้นเหรอ นี่แม่คนจะบอกอะไรให้นะเดี๋ยวนี้นะทีโดยที่ไม่ต้องใช้ทุนตัวเองเรียนรู้ง่ายรู้จัก WeMasterTrade ไหมเนี่ยเขามีทุนให้ไม่ต้องกลัวขาดทุนแถมถอนเงินง่ายทีนี้นะถอนไปแล้วถึง3 รอบและยังแบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90%
แต่ฉันไม่รู้ภาษาอังกฤษนะสิจ๊ะ
WeMasterTrade มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย24 ชั่วโมง
ท็อปเฟิร์มดีขนาดนี้อยากลองต้องจัง
WeMasterTrade นะเทรดง่ายใช้ทุนน้อยใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้ตีจนแบบอยากจะบอกต่อเลยเอาเดี๋ยวอย่างงี้เดี๋ยวพรุ่งนี้นะจะมาถวายมือถือนะเครื่องใหม่ให้พร้อมกับ WeMasterTrade เลย
ไม่ใช้มันแล้ว
โอเคสาธุตามที่ตกลงกันไว้เมื่อคืนนี้มาถวายให้แล้วนะจ๊ะแล้วก็จำที่สอนไว้ด้วยนะจะได้ไม่ต้องติดดอย
นี่แหละมีตัวช่วยดีๆแล้วพักร้อนคราวนี้จะไปฝึกเทรดให้โปรเลยฝึกเทรดก็ง่ายไม่กลัวขาดทุนอยู่ในศาลก็เทรดได้ออกมาพักร้อนก็เทรดได้สบายใจเพราะมี WeMasterTrade ร่วมเดินทางไปกับเราพร้อมบริการช่วยเหลือ24 ชั่วโมงนี่แหละที่เขาบอกต่อไม่ว่าจะอยู่ที่ไหนจะไปที่ไหนก็เทรดได้ WeMasterTrade เพื่อนคู่ใจของเทรดเดอร์ไทยอยู่เคียงข้างคุณเสมอ
WeMasterTrade
ในโลกของการเงินไม่ต่างอะไรกับเกมส์ในสนามทุกวินาทีล้วนมีค่าชัยชนะไม่ได้มาจากโชคแต่มาจากกลยุทธ์วินัยและความสามารถในการคว้าโอกาส WeMasterTrade แพลตฟอร์มที่ช่วยให้คุณเชื่อมต่อวิเคราะห์และลงมือเหมือนทีมมืออาชีพการฝึกที่ดีนำคุณไปสู่ความสำเร็จปลดปล่อยศักยภาพของคุณเร่งสปีดสู่ความสำเร็จในการเทรด WeMasterTrade ครองเกมของคุณพิชิตตลาดการเงิน
WeMasterTrade
At WeMasterTrade, we defined ourselves as an angel funding project. Our approach involves hiring traders. Under our trading rules, we're proud to cover your risk, placing our trust in traders to generate profits for both parties. We have a specialized risk management team that will analyze high winning potential orders and copy those trades in a way that boosts winning. For instance, if a client initiates a trade with 100 Apple shares, our risk management team will copy it at a ratio of 1:4, translating to a purchase of 400 shares. Note that we only copy trades that our experts believe will be a big success. This way, we can profit more on this project for our company and a higher profit share for traders. First, WeMasterTrade will provide you access to the trading capital. You'll be trading on the most reliable platform, MT5. Generated profit will be shared up to 90%. WeMasterTrade covering all of your losses. We implemented a loss limit strategy to help you and our company control the risk of our trades. You can make as many trades as you want in a day or week as long as you don't hit the loss limit. For example, in our sugar package of $100,000 capital, the loss limit is 5%, equals to $5,000. This means as long as you don't lose more than $5,000, you can keep trading and growing your trading capital and withdraw profit anytime. That's how WeMasterTrade instant funding program works.
WeMasterTrade
Good morning, everyone. I'm Andrew Hunt, and I am CEO of WeMasterTrade. Today, we're here at one of Asia's most exciting race 7, surrounded by speed, focus, and the relentless pursuit of excellence. In both racing and trading, precision matters, discipline matters, and every decision counts. This is not just a race, it's a showcase of focus, discipline, and speed, the same spirit that drives every trade forward.
Trading. And in racing, precision is everything. Only one goal, reaching the chart. This is where speed meets strategy. Every move counts. Every second defines the result. In this race, precision is profit. Accelerate your strategy. Control your momentum. Rise above the limit. Every move is a decision. Precision creates profit. Only those who control the speed control the result. Push to the limit. Aim for the chart. Master every move. WeMasterTrade, powering precision, fueling performance. From the track to the chart, we master every move. Speed, focus, discipline. That's how champions trade.
WeMasterTrade เขามีทุนให้แบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90% มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมง ใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้
สาธุสิ่งศักดิ์สิทธิ์ที่อยู่ที่นี้งวดนี้ลูกขอรางวัลใหญ่รางวัลที่1สักทีเถอะถ้าลูกได้มาตรงๆลูกจะ
งมงายไม่เข้าเรื่อง
เจ้าค่ะ
แม่มันสู้คนรุ่นใหม่อย่างเราก็ไม่ได้ ฮัลโหลลูกว่าไงอ๋อไม่ต้องห่วง เรื่องเงินค่าเทอมหนูอ่ะพ่อเตรียมมาให้เรียบร้อยแล้ว สบายมากหายห่วงอดจะหลับโอ้มาทำอะไรเสียงดังกันวะหรือว่าใครเป็นไรวะนะโมตัสสะนะโมตัสสะนะโมตัสสะตายไปแล้วทำไมไม่ไปผุดไม่เกิดเลยจ๊ะนี่ดอยจะสิเรียนเทรดดิ้งตั้งแต่ยังมีชีวิตจนตายที่ไม่หลุดดอยเลยเงินก็หมดนะที่ไม่ไปผุดไม่เกิดเนี่ยที่ติดต่ออย่างนั้นเหรอ นี่แม่คนจะบอกอะไรให้นะเดี๋ยวนี้นะเทรดโดยที่ไม่ต้องใช้ทุนตัวเองเรียนรู้ง่ายรู้จัก WeMasterTrade ไหมเนี่ยเขามีทุนให้ไม่ต้องกลัวขาดทุนแถมถอนเงินง่ายพี่นี่นะถอนไปแล้วถึง3 รอบและยังแบ่งผลกำไรให้สูงสุดถึง 90%
แต่ฉันไม่รู้ภาษาอังกฤษนะสิจ๊ะ
WeMasterTrade มีทีมงานซัพพอร์ตคนไทย 24 ชั่วโมง
พอเฟิร์มดีขนาดนี้อยากลองบ้างจัง
WeMasterTrade นะเทรดง่ายใช้ทุนน้อยใครๆก็เริ่มเทรดได้ตีจนแบบอยากจะบอกต่อเลยเดี๋ยวอย่างงี้เดี๋ยวพรุ่งนี้นะจะมาถวายมือถือนะเครื่องใหม่ให้พบกับ WeMasterTrade เลย
ไม่ชงไม่ใช้มันแล้ว
โอเคสาธุตามที่ตกลงกันไว้เมื่อคืนนี้มาถวายให้แล้วนะจ๊ะแล้วก็จำที่สอนไว้ด้วยนะจะได้ไม่ต้องติดดอย
นี่แหละมีตัวช่วยดีๆแล้วพักร้อนคราวนี้จะไปฝึกเทรดให้โปรเลยฝึกเทรดก็ง่ายไม่กลัวขาดทุนอยู่ในศาลก็เทรดได้ออกมาพักร้อนก็เทรดได้สบายใจเพราะมี WeMasterTrade ร่วมเดินทางไปกับเราพร้อมบริการช่วยเหลือ 24 ชั่วโมงนี่แหละที่เขาบอกต่อไม่ว่าจะอยู่ที่ไหนจะไปที่ไหนก็เทรดได้ WeMasterTrade เพื่อนคู่ใจของเทรดเดอร์ไทยอยู่เคียงข้างคุณเสมอ
Yes, alright trader, you've seen packages, now it's time to tackle the rules that can make or break your account, the daily loss limit. Stay tuned, this one separates the pro and the panic. Getting funded feels amazing, but staying funded, that is the real game. And the number one reason account gets shut down is one thing, daily loss.
Yes, the infamous daily loss. Most traders think they understand it until it's closed their account mid-trade on Tuesday afternoon last week.
But here's the silver lining. Once you realize rabbit, this rule become one of your best allies in risk management. Today we will break it down step by step with real symbols.
So what is it? The daily loss limit, also called maximum daily loss, set the hard cap for losses in a single trading day, including both close and floating trades. Hit this and even for a second, your account shut down automatically.
In hidden ruins, it's always calculated from higher of your starting balance or equity. That's more detail is what catch so many traders off guard.
Think of it as a safety list. It's not there to punish you. It's there to keep you in the game.
Yes, let's get into the first example. Day 5, your balance is $105,000, but equity is $107,000, thanks to some floating profits.
With a 4% daily loss, the system calculates it from $107,000, the higher number.
Is 4% of 107,000 is about 4,280, and your equity cannot drop 102,720 that day, or it's out to liquidation.
And here's the kicker. This is real time, the system doesn't wait, dip below for even a second, and boom, the account is closed.
Now flip it, today's open balance is 100,000, equity is 99,000 because some trades are in loss.
Since balance is higher, 4%, daily loss equal $4,000, your equity must stay above $96,000 all day.
Drop to 95,999, auto liquidation triggers, no margin call, no warning, just done.
So what happens if you break it? The system is scaled as a market order to close everything. All trade liquidated, account disabled, you cannot trade again unless you purchase a new package.
And remember, because it's issued as a live market price, slip price can make the final P&L worse than expected. That $3,900 loss you plan could turn into $4,200 in seconds.
That's why we always say don't dance on the edge, respect the limit, protect the capital, and you will stay funded longer and grow consistently.
Alright trader, let's dive into how to avoid violating the latest loss rules. This is where the pro might kidding.
Tip 1. Know your buffer. Don't plan trades that push you right to edge of your limit. Leave at least 10 to 15% cushion below your max, especially in volatile markets.
Tip 2. Focus on your equity, not just balance. Most traders stare at their balance all day, but if floating losses are dragging your equity down, you're already at risk of a violation.
Tips 3. Use the dashboard. WeMasterTrade provide live risk dashboard. Check your loss status frequently. Don't rely on memory guesswork.
Tip number 4. Pause after early losses. If you lose 3% in the first hour of the London session, stop, reflect, don't try to refund, trade back into the green.
Tip 5. Trade smaller during news event. Trading growth during NSAP at the full side. That's a far trade to hitting day loss. Scale down your loss, right pole volatility more safely.
Let's talk about the traps. What mistake do traders make most often with daily limits?
Number 1. Over-leveraging, opening trades that are 5 to 7% of your account, thinking you will exit quickly when it goes red fast. It's already too late.
Number 2. Holding overnight without checking exposure. Trade left overnight, wake up to a 60 pip gap, daily loss can trigger before you even open your eyes.
And the third big mistake?
Assuming only close trades matter. Not equity includes floating profit and loss too. That's your real score. I always tell new traders the daily loss isn't your enemy. Think of it as your account airbag. It's designed to stop you from making irreversible mistakes.
Exactly, it's for distilling. You can be aggressive, but only inside the block. Learn that and you will last longer than 90% of the market.
One last point, this isn't about rules, it's about trust. WeMasterTrade fund you because we trust you will manage risk responsibly. The daily loss is protected trust for both sides. And yes, previously we have covered the daily loss rule, your day-to-day seatbelt. Now it's time to talk about the ultimate boundary. I'm talking about the maximum loss rule, your account airbag. This isn't just for one day, it's for your entire life of your account.
A lot of traders think I didn't hit my daily limit, I'm safe, but a few days of small losses add up and suddenly liquidation.
Exactly, the mallet is the final setting net. Hit it and system see your account is unsalvageable. Immediate closure, no exceptions.
Let's break it down simply. It's the total loss your account can sustain across all trades at any moment. If your equity including open trades dip below that threshold, the account is gone, period.
Unlike the daily loss which reset each day, this accumulate lose 2% one day, 3% the next, cross the line, and that's it.
The actual percentage depends on your package. Typically 6% or 10% of your starting balance is always based on your initial capital, not your equity or profits.
Suppose your account starts at $50,000 with 6% max loss, that is $3,000.
Your equity account never fall below $47,000. Doesn't matter if you made $1,000 yesterday, it's accumulate from the start.
And remember, both closed and floating losses counts. Closed 2,000 floating is 1,200, equity is 46,800, below 47,000 account flow.
Not about net gain or loss across trades, it's about real-term equity versus the stop lot for.
Say your account grow to $51,000 profit feel great, right?
Yeah, but the mark loss is still based on the original 50,000. 6% limit is 47,000. Profit only give one extra buffer.
Exactly, your equity can drop to $4,000 before you hitting the floor. Profit doesn't move the threshold.
So what happens when you break it? Drop below the mark loss even by a few dollars, and auto liquidation trigger instantly or trade close as market price.
Like daily loss slippage may make your final numbers slightly worse. That's just market reality.
And most importantly, one breach, the account is permanently disabled. No reset, no rollbacks. Want to continue trading, you must purchase a new package.
So here's the secret sauce. How do you stay inside the mark loss box and trade like pro without sweating every second?
Tip number 1, know your floor always. Track the total close losses every day. Don't wait for a dashboard alert. Calculate it manually. Awareness is half the battle.
Tip 2. Treat profit as ammo, not ammo. Floating gains don't mean going wide. Reduce loss size when you're ahead. Protect your capital. Don't gamble it.
Tip 3. Manage floating losses like a hawk. Even a roach trade can turn into cushion to catastrophe. Stay alert, stay disciplined.
Tip number 4. Step back when danger booms. If you are 5% down on a 6% mark loss, don't take it. Walk away, take a breath, analyze patience, and save your account.
And tip 5. Never fight a volatility blindfolded. Big news, reduce size, gold, Nasdaq, European. They spike fast. Respect the market, respect the limit.
Now, let's get real. Here are the moves that destroy account faster than you can blink.
Number 1, over leveraging. Opening position at 5 to 7% of your account. Think is safe. One wrong move and you are toast.
2. Ignoring floating trades. Close trade loser and you think you're safe. One more red trade floating the 1,500 to 2,000. Boom, the cow cross the line.
Driven trading. Lose yesterday, come back with swinging today. to recover. That's how a 6% max loss disappear in 2 seconds.
Number 4, sleepy during meal. Tight stop doesn't matter. A single candle can wipe out your buffer before you can blink.
Listen up. The max loss isn't the enemy. It's your protective side, your airbag. Every top trader I know treats it as non-negotiable. Crosses and the lesson hits hard, a cow gone.
Exactly, think of it as reality check. If you're constantly skimming the air, the problem isn't the rule, it's your strategy or mindset. Think that and the calculate you're not days.
So here's the mantra, trader. Respect the max loss, trade inside the box, protect your equity, grow consistently. Treat it like your best friends and it will keep your account alive while most traders self-destruct around you.
At WeMasterTrade, we are not just handing out capital, we are building structure, discipline, and professionalism. The max loss rule, that's the line that separated gamblers from true traders.
So let's lock this in, trader. Here's what you need to remember about max loss. It's a percentage of your starting balance, usually 6 or 10%. It's calculated from the real-time equity, not just your balance. Don't forget, it's count both close and floating losses. Every penny is matter. And here's the kicker. One is breached, the account is gone permanently.
Think of it as your final safety net. Respect it, trade smart, and you will survive where small trader fail.
Alright, trader, we have covered the daily loss limit and the maximum loss rule, your capital safety net. Now let's talk about the result, not just risk. At WeMasterTrade, we want to see trader grow, scale, and learn sustainably. That is where profit consistency comes in.
This will separate the chaos price from true pros. It tells us whether you can make consistent profits over time instead of relying on one big win.
And it's also how we determine profit sharing, withdrawals and scale ups. Funding and can withdraw as full profit. This rule probably why.
Simply put, the profit consistency ratio measures how evenly your profit comes in day to day. One huge spike and several flat for losing days. High ratio, low consistency.
At WeMasterTrade, most accounts require 30% PC, meaning your best day cannot exceed 30% of your total profit.
And it's important, if your profit consistency is 20%, your profit share drop to 10%. That's why keep your consistency in check and if you want to maximize earnings. And how it calculated, formula is simple. The best trading day profit divide total close profit multiply 100 equal to profit consistency percentage.
Best day is single day highest close profit. Total profit equals sum of all close profits minus close losses. Floating loss don't count until close.
So, if your best day is $200 and your total profit is $500, your profit consistency equals 200 divided to 500 and multiplied to 100. It's going to be 40%. That is too high, and you need to trade more to reduce this ratio below 20% to eligible for payouts.
So we what's for example in 5-day reserve, they want $100, day 2 200, day 3 minus 50, day 4 100, and day 5 60.
Total net profit equal 100 plus 200 minus 50 plus 100 plus 60 equal $410.
Best day equal day 2 is going to be $200, so the profit consistency is 200 divided to 410 multiplied to 100 is about 48.78%.
What about the 30% limit even through profit table? Profit share up to 10% until consistency improves.
The profit doesn't equal pay. Even profitable traders won't get full profit share if gains are too concentrated.
If you rely on 1 or 2 monster days to carry out your account, and that's risk, not skill, you need stick win.
Long-term balance equal higher trust, scale ups, and full profit share. That's what separates funded pro from lucky spike. And If you over the limit, don't panic. Focus on it, evening hour feed over multiple days.
Practical tips: reduce lot size for few days. Take smaller controlled wins. For example, 200 to 300 per day. Avoid one massive swing trade. Separate gains across multiple days.
So, for EA user, monitor your equity curves both that spike. Profit one day may hurt your profit consistency. Adjust to keep the ratio below 20 to 30% for full profit share.
So here are some common mistakes. Number 1, hitting the target early and resting, inflate bad day ratio.
Number 2, over trading after a big day, trying to squeeze it more is higher ratio.
Number 3, ignoring the rules. Profit consistency is what we actually measure for growth and scale.
Profit consistency isn't a hurdle. It's your roadmap to sustainable growth and maximum profit share.
Hit it and WeMasterTrade will trust you with a bigger capital. Ignore it and even profitable cow get reduced payoff.
So remember, small, steady, reliable profit is always better than one lucky spike any day. Keep your profit consistency below 20 to 30% to maximize your profit share and scale fast. Before we get into the end, let's get into one of the most favorite part of the whole live stream, the economic calendar. So now Dolia and Helen will get started.
So hello everyone, welcome back to our Outlook live stream. I'm Helen. I'm here with trader Dolia.
Hi traders, this week is packed with high impact news for USD, SGD and CAD pairs. So if you trade gold, forex or indices, stay with us for the next 5 minutes.
So we will quickly break down the most important event and explain what we're watching in the market.
The first major event comes on Monday at 9 p.m. GMT +7. The US ISM Service PMI forecast is 54.2 versus the previous 54.5.
If the number beats expectation, the US dollar could strengthen and gold may face short-term pressure. A quicker reading could likely support gold and risk asset.
So Monday evening, watch pair like EU RUSD, GBPUSD, and of course, XAU USD.
So Wednesday is the big day for the New Zealand dollar. At 9 a.m. GMT +7, the RENG and now its official cash rate expected at 2.5%.
Right after that, we also get the RBNJ rate statement and the press conference at 10 a.m. This event usually creates strong volatility on NZD, USD, AUD and ZD, and EURNZD.
Our plan is simple. Wait for the statement first, then look for direction after the press conference rather than jumping into the first candle.
Thursday starts with the FOMC meeting minus 1 a.m. GMT +7. Traders will look for clues about future Federal Reserve rate cuts.
Then at 7:30 p.m. we have a U.S. employment claim forecast is 218K versus 215K previously. Higher claim could weaken the dollar and support gold price.
This combination makes Thursday a key day for XAU USD and major USD pairs.
Friday at 7:30 p.m. GMT plus 7, you're all about Canada. We get employment trend and unemployment rate.
Forecast for employment is 11.2k compared with the previous 87.8k, while unemployment is expected to stay at 6.6%.
If the top number surprise to the upside, CAD could strengthen quickly. What USD, CAD, and CAD JPY during the release?
To summarize, Monday, ISM revised PMI, Wednesday, RBI rate decisions, Thursday, FOMC minus plus US claims, and Friday, Canadian job data.
These are the four sessions we believe will create the best trading opportunities this week. Remember, protect your risk, avoid overtrading during news spike, and wait for confirmation.
If you like our trade ideas and daily market updates, follow the page and turn on notifications.
Thanks for watching, everyone. We'll let in this week, and we will see you in the next session.
Yes, thank you for the news calendar from Helen and Dolia. We're going to end the live stream over here. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow our live stream and YouTube channel. We'll see you next time, okay dear?